Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to learn how to elaborate information from general ledger. General ledger is a part of financial statement based on transactions of individual subledgers account as defined by company's chart of account. This function will show the result of the carry-forwarded data and the result from the selected accounting gate range. On top of the program, we have toolbar panel. This inquiry button is to show the result. The Account Ledger Detail is a shortcut menu to the Account Ledger Details program. Dimension ledgers will show all the information of dimension information of the related account. Dimension ledger by date is to jump to the list of transactions of the related account based on the classification on the dimension category. The important field here is the accounting date range. It gives the insight of the accounting period you would like to view. For more specific results, you may complete all the other inquiry conditions, such as parent account, or cost type. Parent account and account are quote help, which means you may enter the first characters and the system will show you to the closest results. For example, if we type A and K on parent account, the system will provide you the chart of account list that match with the keywords. Choose one and click apply. When all is set, click inquiry. Double-click on one of the accounts, and the system will bring you to Account Ledger Details program. Or you may select one of the accounts and click Account Ledger Details button. Let's try the other functions. Choose Account Receivable and click Dimension Ledger. All information related with the Account Receivable account and dimension information of customer or vendor are here. Let's check with the Dimension Ledger by date. Choose Prepaid VAT and click Dimension Ledger by date. You'll be led to Dimension Ledger by date program. This is a list of prepaid VAT with related customer or vendor dimension. That's the final of General Ledger. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us email. SystemEver, making your business better.